How old are you?
I'm 10.
10 years old?
Yes.
And it's in the streets? What's your name?
Alex.
Alex.
That's the mother.
Alex C. You're a rapper? Wow, you're gonna make a freestyle for us? You wanna freestyle something for us?
Yeah.
I love this.
Mommy, baby.
And he say he did. Sing it again without any beat. Make the ears sing at your voice. Make the notice say.
Oppa, 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 oppa. Sam oppa, 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 oppa. I swear, we did it. We did it. Say we did it. We did it. They did. Say did. We did. We did. 2023. Say we did. We did. We did. We did.
Alex, you are a star already. A porn star. And this is the reason why MTN has come to the streets to look for raw talent, to support raw talent. And so, since you don't say MTN Opo, and I know say true MTN Opo. So this one now, I won't commit say myself D-Banj and MTN Opo. We will support you. We will do one single at least. We will shoot video. We will push for you. We will go release. If you agree, say oh. But for